Okay, for 9-94, we need to find the surface area and volume of each solid below. I'm going to do it in two videos. The first one's going to be for part A. We're told that all the angles are right angles. So let's actually start with volume. Okay, and the volume I guess I'll do in green. So the volume is going to be, if we take a look at this composite figure, we'll notice that we could split it down right here. And we'll have two rectangular prisms. Okay, so the first rectangular prism, let me see if I could try to draw it here. It's going to be something like this. Okay, so the height of this, if we notice right here, is going to be the 12 feet. Okay, the length right here is going to be, well, it's from here to here. If we notice, it's just 18 right there, so 18 feet. And then the width is going to be 7 feet. Okay, so for this one, and I'll actually color code it. So this first one I'll do in green. So the volume of this part is going to be just the length times width times height, 12 times 18 times 7. Okay, let's go ahead and let's do 12 times 7. We know 12 times 7 is 84. 12 times 7 is 84, and then times 18. Okay, so 84 times 18. 4 times 8 is 32. 8 times 8 is 64, plus 3 is 67, and then 84 times 1 is just 84. We'll add it together, and we get 1,512. So this first part's 1,512 plus, let's go ahead and do it in a different color. Let's do in, I guess, in orange. We'll have this next part right here. Okay, so I guess I'll draw it right here. It's kind of the wider part. Okay, so the height of this one is 8 feet. The width is still going to be the same. It's still going to be the 7 feet. Okay, if you notice, it's wide all the way across. And let's take a look at the length. Okay, I know from here to here is 40. Okay, here to here is 18. So if this is 18, this needs to be 22. 18 plus 22 makes 40. So this is going to be 22 feet in length. Okay, so for here the volume is 22 times 7 times 8. Okay, 7 times 8 we know is 56. And let's multiply that with 22. So 22 times 56. We actually do it the other way around. It'll be a little easier if we do the 56 as the first factor. 56 times 2. Okay, I know 50 times 2 is 100. 6 times 2 is 12. So 56 times 2 is 112. And again, 56 times 2 is 112. We'll go ahead and add that. 2, 3, 2, 1. So the orange part, the lengthier part right here, is 1,232 square feet. I'm sorry, cubic feet. We'll add the two together. 472. So in total the volume is going to be 2,744 cubic feet. Okay, that's the volume. Okay, as far as the surface area goes, so for the surface area it's going to be kind of complicated, and I actually made a mistake doing it the first round, so I'm re-recording it. But the best way to do it is to really just decompose it or break it down and look at the individual faces. Okay, so I'm going to start with the two biggest faces, which is the front and the back. Okay, so and even with the front and the back, we're actually going to have to break it down into two separate parts, into two rectangles. Okay, this first part of the front is going to be 18 by 20. Oops, 18 by 12. Let's see, 18 by 12, and the second part is going to be, if we take a look, this is all 40 from here to here. The whole thing's 40. From here to here is 18. Okay, so that means from here to here is the other part of 40, which is 22. Okay, since the whole thing's 40. Okay, so, and then finally right here, the height of this small rectangle is 8 feet. It's given to us. Okay, the area of here is just 18 by 12. 18 times 12. Well, 18 times 12 is 36. 18 times 1 is 18. Add that together and you get 216. Okay, here to here is 22 by 8. Okay, I'm not gonna have room to write inside, but 22 times 8. 2 times 8 is just 16, and then 8 times 2 is 16 plus 1 is 17, so 176 inside. Okay, so altogether we have to add that with the 216. So we get 12 right there, 9, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, so the front and back are each 192 square feet. Sorry, 392 square feet. Okay, so since we have the front and the back, we're going to go and multiply that by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 9 times 2 is 18, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So the front and back combined is 784 square feet. Okay, let's take a look at the different parts. Okay, let's go and start from the top. The top, if you see this top face right here, it's 7 by 18. Okay, so let's multiply it out. So 18 times 7, 8 times 7 is 56. Oops, 56. 7 times, let's see, 56. 7 plus 5 is 12. So it's 126 up here. Here it's 4 by 7. Okay, the depth is still 7, 4 by 7, so this is 28. Here it's, let's see, we talked about from here to here is 22, so here to here is 22. So this is 22 by 7. Okay, so 22 by 7. So 22 times 7 is 14 and 15, so this is 154. Okay, so 154 here. Here's 8 by 7. 8 by 7. So 8 by 7 is 56. Okay, so we have the different components right there. Okay, so we have most of the faces now. All we need is this left face right here. This is 12 by 7. Okay, it's a little hard to see. We can't really see the face from here, but we know it's a 12 by 7. So 12 by 7 is going to be 84 square feet. Okay, and it looks like we have all the faces. We have the front and the back. We have the left, the right, the top face right here, this side right here, this side right here, and the right side. Okay, so all that's left to do is to combine it or add all the areas together. So we have the front and back, which is 784. Okay, we have the top, which is 126. We have the left one right here, which is 84. We have the, I don't want to call it the right, but we have this face right here, which is 28. We have this face up here, 154. And we have the rightmost face, which is 56. And we're going to add together. I'm just looking for all the numbers we could add to make it easier. 4, 4, 4 is 12. Okay, and I see a 6 and 6, that's another 12, so that's 24. And then finally plus 8, which is 32. Okay. Here we have 5 and 5, which is 10. Okay, and I see 8 plus 2 and 8 plus 2, that's 10 each. 10, 10, 10, that's 30, and another 3, so that's going to be 33. Here 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 11 and 12, so 1,232 square feet. Okay, and this is going to be the surface area. Okay, as I was finalizing this, I realized we actually forgot one face. Okay, and it's another one we can't see. We're actually forgetting the bottom or the base. Okay, we're forgetting the base right here. Okay, for the base, again, we know that the length is 40 and it's by 7, so it's going to be 280 square feet for the base. So what we have here, we're just going to add 280. Okay, so that's 2, 1, 1, 5, and 1. So surface area is actually 1,512 square feet.